Hey guys, welcome to a quick walkthrough on how to add your profile to the mentorship document that we provided, the DX mentorship document that we provided. Once you navigate to the URL that is in the post that you sent to the group, you'll be shown a page like this. And to edit it, you need to have a Notion account. So let me just, currently I'm not signed in, so that's why you can see that there's no edit, new or anything. There's an edit button here. So let's say you want to go through this route. If I click the edit button, the first thing it will tell me is, okay, see, sign in. I need to sign in. So let me go ahead and sign in. And this step, if you don't have a Notion account, you should also create a Notion account so that you can edit and add to it. So I'm going to log in into my account now. And give it a minute. Okay, I want this to show. Yep. All right, so that is it. This is me logged in to my Notion account. Now, the interface has modified a bit. So you see now there's a new button here, a new something I can click that prompts me to add a new page. So now let me say I want to add a new profile. I've not added mine. I click on new. Now I just need to edit this to my taste. So for example, let's say Jeremy Rofi something test smog. Okay, that should be at gmail.com, not gmail. All right, what status? Entry senior whatever. Yes, I'm John Pointon. Technical background. So that's how easy it is. So once you fill up that part to your taste, the bio section you need to just switch it. And this to change the image, you can just come here, the three dots action button. You can tap it to replace. You can replace it or you delete it. But we just advise you to replace just to show your face. And I see your smiling beautiful faces. And now this part is a new page. Just click on it to take you to a new page. So this is important. You can also take your time to add a little bit of your resume here, just to give it more personal touch and not just like cookie cutter kind of page. And the cover letter, you could take time to fill that in as well. And also the links, very important. You need to drop some links like your GitHub link, your LinkedIn, your Twitter, your YouTube, and then other links like, for example, perhaps your Ashnode, if you have a blog and you have an Ashnode. This part is just due to your taste, whatever you feel like you need us to know. And at some point, if you're stumped and you don't know what to do, like you're looking at ideas for a particular place, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 10 places for you to take inspirations from. Now, like I mentioned, for example, I need ideas as Jerry Rufi now. Let's say I've got into the bio section and I'm confused. I don't know how to write it. I'm like, aside from going online, you just come to perhaps, let me see, let's say Daco, and go to Daco's page and say, hey, let me see what Daco wrote in his page. Oh, right, Daco, oh, I am Daco. Oh, nice, nice, nice. And he uses some emojis to make it more, to make it fancy and that's a little flourish and make it exciting. And his language is kind of simple. You can take ideas from it just to make sure you are not editing anything, because at this point everybody can edit. Just make sure you're not changing anything and you're not messing anything around. Just look, scroll through, and exit the page, and just focus on yours. Now, you will notice that this guy, the cover image right now, is not really in position. Some people have adjusted theirs. If you go to this reposition, you can reposition it, move it up, move it down to your taste and to how you feel it works. Also, that is, yeah, I think that is it. That is how to edit. So you need to create an account. You need to have an account. Without an account, you can't edit. Without an account, you don't edit. And just like Jeremy here, I should take my time to fill this in and just like get all the details I need to get correctly. So that is all. And we are trying to look at getting everything before Wednesday for our next lecture or before our next session and call. So please, if you haven't filled your information, take the time out of the rest that is between now and Wednesday to do it. I'll go ahead and delete Jeremy Ruffin now. There's somebody called Jeremy Ruffin. Okay, guys, thank you for seeing this. This is a very YouTube channel, so you can like and subscribe for us to play in the future. All right. Good luck. Enjoy the rest of your time and day. Bye.